Why is yawning contagious? You see someone yawn, and suddenly, you feel it too. It's not just you. Scientists say yawning triggers your brain's empathy system. Your brain sees someone tired, and mirrors that state. It's called social mirroring, and it's stronger in people who are more empathetic. Even dogs can catch yawns from their owners. Some experts think it helped early humans stay in sync, a group signal, hey, we're all tired. Let's rest together. So next time you yawn with a friend, blame evolution.